here to give you guys another video after a long time. I basically took a break from YouTube just to get adjusted to my college life, but now I'm in my second year here at Florida Agricultural Mechanical University, and my major is broadcast journalism. So I was just getting acclimated, making sure my grades are okay, getting used to being on campus, getting used to being away from home because I am an out-of-state student. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. So I was just trying to, get my mind right, get my head right. But now I'm definitely jumping back into the YouTube game, and I'm here to give you guys another video, a special video at that. So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is an apartment tour. This is off-campus housing, so I will be able to show you guys like the common area that I share with my 3 roommates plus myself. It's the kitchen, the living room, kind of like the dining room area, and then we definitely share a patio set. And of course I will be showing you all my room and my bathroom, so let's jump right into the video. But first, like, subscribe, drop a comment, any questions, and let's just get right into it. As you all can see, my colors are blue, navy blue, gray, and white. And then of course I have the Buddha there because my inspiration was definitely like calming and peaceful, but yet chic. And one of the favorite parts about my room is definitely the chandelier. Now all the other rooms have a ceiling fan, but my personal touch was this chandelier. I had a chandelier put in by an electrician. This is the rug. It's very soft, and it feels great. Mind you, these apartments do come fully furnished, but I requested to not have any furniture because my mom got America's Signature furniture. So then I still have to get a couple more touches to my room, like more pictures. I'm not sure which picture I exactly want right there. This is my TV. My dad mounted it on the wall for me. And then I just recently got this mirror, so please ignore the tag. I still have to get that off. Right here is my closet, and it is a walk-in closet, but I will not be showing you all that because unfortunately it's not clean right now. And then on this side, this is my desk. You see I have my computer, my printer, picture frame that needs a picture, my desk lamp, and of course like my pencils, my speaker. And then right here I just have cute accessories like nature pieces. I definitely want to incorporate the waterfall because like I said, my room is like, the goal is to be calming and peaceful. Then I just have this little accent piece that was gifted to me. Then I have these like granted, they can be like book holders, and I think they're really cute, and I actually like them because they add a sense of like different color, because they are not the navy blue that I have, but I feel like just that accent as well as that like blends it in. The jewelry box I have, and up here on this shelf of course is that star, and right here I have like the globe, going back to the Buddha inspiration. Then I actually have another Buddha, and I just have an inspirational quote that says, "Do something you love today." So this is like my little center area right here. Guys, is my bathroom. Let me turn on this light. Sorry, I look really crazy right now, but this is the countertop, the sink area. My bathroom is kind of like ocean themed, so I have my shells on the holders for like my toothpaste. Of course, I have my jewelry stand right here, and I have towels just to make everything cuter. My bubble bath things, and then in here is like my natural hair products. For my room last year, we did change it up a lot. Like nothing is really the same except for my bathroom pieces. So this is the bathroom. That's just my shower curtain. And then my room 3. Everything about my room are literally my curtains. My curtains are blackout curtains. So during the day, if I want to, take a quick nap, I just turn off my light. And if my light isn't on for my bed frame, this room is completely black. And oftentimes I wake up in the middle of my nap like, oh my god, did I sleep until the next day? So those definitely come in handy. All right, guys, you know how I look. I'm looking kind of crazy. I'm up doing homework right now. But that is it for the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment. Follow my Instagram at Cajun Curls, CAJUNKURLS, and my Twitter at Queen Skylar, QUEENSKYLOR. And get ready for the next video. Thanks.